What's up everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In today's video I'll show you how you can fix landscape not supported on your Facebook app. So this usually happens when you're trying to live stream. For example, if you head over into your Facebook and you're trying to live stream, as you can see right now the phone is in a vertical orientation. You can easily go ahead and go live. However, if you try to turn your phone into a landscape orientation, it will show that error. As you can see, it doesn't rotate into a horizontal or landscape orientation, and the error that it has is landscape not supported. So how can you fix this issue so that your phone can rotate from a vertical orientation into a landscape orientation while you're trying to live stream? So all you need to do is to go ahead and download a free app, and this app is called Orientation Control. Go to your Play Store, enter Orientation Control, and then Screen Orientation Control app will show up. Click on it and then go ahead and install it. So I already have it. I'll go ahead and click on that app. Since I already have this app, I'll go ahead and open it up. So once you open it up, this is the app, Orientation Control. So go ahead and start that. So once you start it up, make sure you head over into your settings and make sure you enable permissions so that this app is able to display over all the other apps. So once you've done that, head over back into Facebook, as you can see. And now, because you have that Orientation Control app turned on, you can now go ahead and tilt your phone into a horizontal orientation, as you can see. And right now you can click on go live right here, and then you can go ahead and live stream on Facebook in a landscape orientation. So usually this happens when, for example, apps are being updated. Before I used to use this feature within Facebook without an external app, but right now, because of the updates that have been made, I'm unable to go live in landscape orientation. Hopefully you guys were able to fix this issue of landscape not supported. If you did, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.